friend, it's Kelly and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. I'm so happy you stopped by. Today we are continuing on with fall decorating here in my master bedroom, and I am so excited to get started. Here's a quick look at how it looks with everything cleaned off. I've dusted everything, removed all my summer decor, and now it's time to get this room all cozy for the fall season. As you can see, my husband has already helped me hang a wreath above our bed. This is one I've used on my front door for many years. It is just a red leaf garland that I put on a grapevine wreath, and I used it on my front door, but this year I'm doing something a little different on my front door, so I thought I would use it here. To be totally honest, neither my husband or I are exactly thrilled with it. Not really loving it, but for now it'll stay up until either I find something new or just for this season, and I'll worry about it next season. First, I'm going to work on my bed, just putting up all the cozy pillows and the blankets and just making it look all cozy and warm for fall. And all these cushions are cushion covers that I've had for a number of years from Amazon, and the pumpkin pillow is actually purchased last year from HomeSense. Now this little cream blanket I know does not fit exactly across the bed, but it's what I have for now, and so I'm just going to make it work, and it'll work fine for us, especially as the nights keep getting a little chillier as the fall season rolls around. Something else I love to do at this time of year is, of course, transition out my summer wardrobe for my fall wardrobe. And on that note, I'm really excited to share two beautiful pairs of shoes that were kindly gifted to me from Cosy Island. I received the gray slide pointed toe low-heeled mule in leopard print and the bow knot grace pointed toe heeled slingback in black. If you're not familiar with Cosy Island, their focus is on timeless, minimalist shoes that combine elegance with real comfort, which, let's be honest, is not always easy to find in heels. So what really sets these shoes apart is the thoughtful design. They're made with Cosy Island's air weave fabric, which has tiny 3D air holes for breathability and 20% stretch that adapts to your foot, so there's no pinching or pressure points. They've also added curved arch support and contoured cushioning with zonal padding at the forefoot and heel to absorb shock and reduce arch fatigue by up to 25%. And honestly, I wish I had had shoes like this back when I was working full-time. I spent so many long days in the office or on my feet at conferences in uncomfortable heels. These would have been a lifesaver. They're polished and professional, but actually wearable all day. The leopard print mule is perfect with jeans. Dress it up for date night, wear it to brunch with friends, or even casual Fridays at the office. They are so versatile, and I can see myself getting so much wear out of them this holiday season. The second pair of shoes I chose was the bow knot grace pointed toe heeled slingback in a classic black, and I think every woman needs a pair of classic black shoes, just like the little black dress in her closet. And this shoe has such a classic feminine touch with the bow detail, and the bow detail really had my heart when I saw these online. Again, you'll see the same thoughtful details, the breathable fabric, arch support, and cushioning right where you need it most. And we can't forget about the slip-resistant sole. I have so many not so good memories of slipping on floors at the office when I was wearing some of my older shoes. I kid you not, I would slip on some of the floors. So I really appreciate the non-slip sole. So if you've been looking for shoes that not only look great, but give you that confident, minimalist style without sacrificing comfort, I think you'll really love these. And in case you're interested in checking out Cosy Island for yourself, I will leave all the details linked in the description box below, along with a discount code. It's YT 10HWK and you'll get 10% off your order. Again, I would love to thank Cosy Island for gifting me with these pairs of shoes. I can't wait to keep styling them all season long, especially with the upcoming holiday season. Thank you again to Cosy Island. I'm going to be keeping our nightstands very, very simple. This is my husband's side. He really does not like very much on here at all. He has things that he wants on there all the time, so I'm not going to fuss around too much. I'm just going to put this little tiny little dough bowl with some little picks in it. To be honest, it probably won't last long here because he really doesn't like things on his side. Now, here I'm going to be working on our TV stand, which is also my husband's dresser, and I'm just going to put out this table runner. You've seen this before if you've been around my channel. I've used it in my dining room and in my kitchen, and I thought it would just be fun to bring it up here for the season and really let it, I'm hoping that it helps what I want to put up here really stand out. This is what I'm most excited about. I found this tray at HomeSense the other day. I have been looking for a scalloped tray because they're all the rage. I'm probably late to the game, and I really was tired of those other little bins that my husband uses. He does use those. So I wanted something a little bit more stylish and fun, and I was so excited. And now I'm going to bring in some picks into an old pot that I have. And of course, if you saw my dining room decorate with me, I'll leave a link to that in the cards above if you want to go check it out. But I used this beautiful, beautiful copper ribbon down there against my new walls, my new navy walls, and I still love it. I am so pleased with this ribbon this whole fall season. You'll be seeing a whole lot more of that in upcoming videos. I love how bringing in this black and white checkered runner really complements the picture that is above it, which is really a fall looking print too in black and white. And the combination of these florals against the black and white picture really emphasize the gorgeous colors in this arrangement. Now we're going to turn our attention to the top of my dresser. I've already put up this print on the wall. It is just an Etsy print that I had for a couple of years. And then I'm going to bring out this arrangement. I'm not sure I used it last year. I have had it for so long, I cannot tell you how long. But I thought, you know what? It would be perfect up here. And of course, I had to change out the ribbon. So I swapped out the old ribbon that had come on this arrangement and used that copper ribbon here. And I love it. It really brought this to life. So now I'm just going to place some pumpkins here and some greenery around the bottom of it. And that'll be it for the top of this dresser. Plan on getting out to a pumpkin patch this weekend with the grandkids. I am so excited. So be on the lookout for my fall porch decorate with me. I cannot wait. It's one of my favorite things to do in the fall is decorate my front porch. So be on the lookout for that video. Let me know, have you done any pumpkin patches this year? Or what do you like to do in the fall? What are some of the activities that you guys like to get up to? I recently picked up 2 of these little wreaths from Michael's. They were actually 70% off. I think I got them for $6.99. My first intention was to use them around candles, but then I remembered I had these hooks on my closet doors that I use at Christmas time, so I thought they would be perfect here, and I love the way they look. One last thing to really cozy up the room is I wanted to place some runners on either side of our bed so when we step out in the winter, we're not on a cold floor. I know, princess, right? But I picked these up off Amazon. They are so soft and they have a non-slip backing. They're absolutely beautiful. I love the pattern. They bring some coziness, some warmth, and some much needed interest into the room. If you're interested, I will leave a link to those in the description box below. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it gave you a little bit of fall inspiration to add to your bedroom. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you aren't already. I sometimes share more than just home decor content over there. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you did enjoy it. And there is a new feature called Hype. I would love for you to hype the video. It helps the YouTube algorithm find me. So until I talk to you in my next video, guys, I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.